Hi there, Shaggers, and welcome back to my shape game Devlog. And yes, I still don't have a name to it, and it's been a while since I last uploaded my first video. I've been busy this past few months, but now I can finally continue my game. At last. So for this devlog, I've been focusing more on the character designs plus the character selections that I'm planning to add. And as you can see on your screen, nothing has been updated since the last devlog. So I asked my old student to create the character designs for me, and this is what it came up to. Cool, right? The eyes of the characters correspond to its identical shape and also the weapons that will be used. Then I quickly imported it into the project, changed its sprite settings, applied it to the square character and some tweaking of the weapon, and voila! Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot that on the last devlog, I set up the whole sprite to rotate based on the cursor's position, and not the weapon. Silly me. So I quickly fixed it up, and there. What? Okay, there. So finally, I managed to fix it up, and now the character and the gun flips when the cursor is on the other side. Whew! So now we have the square, the circle, and the triangle character. And you might also notice that my student also made a bullet design that are in a shape style and also corresponds to the character, and I already applied it to the game. Nice! So we got the character set up, and now it's time for the character selection. For this part, I'm the one who made the design, and I know it sucks, but I tried. And I kinda like the results, so good job, me. Anyways, so I imported it into Unity, and here I use a script that is available on GitHub called scrollsnaprec. And as you can see, when I press the button or I swipe to the left or right, the next image or option will show up. So it's good for a character selection like this or even a shop UI. I will leave the link in the description so you can check it out. And I also made a character selection script so that when the player select a character, that is the one who will get spawned and the player will use. Oh, and I almost forgot that my student also made a cool design for the enemy, and here it is. So I immediately imported it into Unity, do some coding, and the enemy looks like this now. As you can see, it's almost like the player, but the only difference is that the enemy weapon are rotating based on the player's position. So yeah, let's see it now in action. So I quickly build and run the game, and ta-da! I just made a sample main menu for this test, and for now, it is called Shape Game. And when you press play, the character selection will show up, and after you selected the character, the first wave of the dungeon will start. And as you can see, the enemy works properly, and also it's shooting feature, and it's just like the same the first devlog. Whew, that's a lot of work. So the game looks nicer now, and I know that the character designs needs a little bit of tweaking to make it more alive, but all in all, it looks better now. Good job again, me. So for the next devlog, I'll add some map designs to make it look more challenging while defeating the enemies, and also to add some dynamics to the game. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have some suggestions for the map, just comment it down below. It will be very helpful to me. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!